our local Chief Executive, Mayor Attorney Nadia V. Emanuelipe, to our Sangguniang Bayan members, headed by Vice Mayor Robinson V. Sabio, to our municipal consultants, faculty and staff of the Taguluan Community College, teaching force from the Department of Education, Taguluan District, headed by Dr. Lynette Agogenia and Ma'am Imelda Emano. He got the most significant milestones in our nation's history, the 127th anniversary of Philippine independence. On June 12, 1898, in the town of Kawit, Cavite, a proclamation was made
na ipinakikilos ng sambayanang makadiyos, makatao, makakalikasan.